All right, this is the Rule Family Homestead and Adventures, and our fall adventure right now. Got Kingston and Croy out here cleaning out the gutters. Croy already cleared out this side over here. Sprayed a little water down. Got it to kind of clear out, and now Kingston's getting his turn working on this side. So we had a pretty good rain the other day, and they were pretty clogged. The water was just coming over the gutters, and so good thing for them to learn to do when they grow up and have their own house. It sure is awesome having some older kids and they're able to help out around the house, and we can work on these things together. What do you think, Croy? You think it was pretty fun? Mm-hmm. Not too bad?
My favorite part was running down the water hose.
Yeah. There's old Connor James. Kingston, what do you think? Is it not too bad? We're kind of on a slope here, so the goal, we don't get a lot of runoff here, but we do get a lot of water off of our roof, and it kind of settles right here, and this kind of goes. We have a concrete porch, but water will seep through the soil to our crawl space, which is back past the porch under the house. And so our goal, we've been trying to get this, when we had these gutters installed, to have these drain pipes to kind of carry the water under the ground through these pipes and then drain out off the end over here. They're not real level or sloping, I should say. So I don't know that it does a great job, but I think these two on this side at least do a pretty good job because they don't have near as far to go, and the water drains out and goes around the house. It keeps it from getting our house damp, or our crawl space is damp, and we've got a liner under our crawl space as well, but this side over here is a little more difficult because it has a lot more. It has to travel down and around, and a pipe in front of our steps under the ground and on around. So I have a feeling that it's just going to get clogged under there over time with the dirt and the leaves and stuff and the sediment that comes down through these pipes. But we'll see. But yeah, one of those little projects around the house boys are helping me take care of. All right, so we are done cleaning out the gutters. One thing we're really glad, not only did we clean the gutters out, but we found a clog in this one, and we got it to come down, and there was a bunch of these little let's see here, what? Here we go. Sorry, it's taking a second. A bunch of these little yellow jackets, or whatever they are. Smash that thing, Croy. See? There's like
this one.
Here, let me get a good picture of this one. I don't know if you guys may know what these are, but I'm assuming some kind of yellow jacket or hornet. But there's a big old nest of those things in that gutter, about right there. It was clogged, and it was dripping out right there, and so we knew we had a good clog, so we kept the water flowing, and was able to clear that out and kill a bunch of those things. We sure don't want those hanging out near our porch, coming in and out, and our kids are playing out here. So anyways, that's a wrap on cleaning out these gutters. But big thanks to the boys for the help, and good learning experience for them, and I didn't have to do it this year, so they were able to do it for me. So that's pretty cool. Hope you guys have a great day.